Hey, this is Scott Rulon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing Primi.CC review, legit 10% daily ROI, Biz, or big scam. You know, the internet is an interesting place. There's part for great opportunity and there's also a magnet for scammers. Today we're going to discuss whether Primi.CC is scam or if it's truly legit. So if you like my channel, please comment, share, or subscribe. And don't forget to hit that good old bell icon so you can receive future videos. Also, please go to my blog site. You'll see it at the top of the screen there, myfinancialfair.com. I discuss hundreds of other crypto MLMers. So take a look there, read up, find out, get yourself organized, and understand what you're getting into by doing your due diligence. So on with the review. Welcome to Primi.CC review, legit 10% daily ROI Biz or big scam. Have you heard the buzz about this latest opportunity in the investment niche? I chose to investigate. I'm betting someone approached you about Primi.CC business opportunity and you came here to make sure it's on the up and up. We all want to know whether something is legit or not, yes? As your guide, I'm going to walk you through the Primi.CC company, products, and compensation plan to make an excellent decision. You want to do that because you don't want to get caught up in a scam, right? So read my unbiased review and pay close attention. So here's the table of contents. What is Primi.CC? What are Primi products? How do you make money with Primi? What are Primi's investment plans? Does Primi offer any referral commissions? What is the cost to join Primi.CC? Who are other Primi reviews saying? Rather, what are other Primi reviews saying? And what's my final verdict? Should you get started on this or not? I know a lot of you are tired of scams. So listen to my number one recommendation below. So Primi.CC, interested, invested, involved in you. Primi claims to be a team of successful top managers that want you to use their experience to help them profit with crypto. They use long-term methods with different risk-reward profiles to make sure you and your recruits are profitable. They claim expertise from trading analysis, success in business, and being part of a professional environment. The employees claim knowledge and everything about the cryptocurrency market. They claim their actions will show their experience. Sounds great, but who are they? The website is mute on this point. Honestly, I could find no digital information anywhere on the internet about their leadership, period. I found out that Primi.CC was privately registered on December 6, 2021, but no other information is known. In case you want to take a look at their website, this is what it looks like. You see those glossy Bitcoins there. So Primi purports to have an investment opportunity where top managers help their clients in producing profits in the crypto space. Upon further examination, I found no retail products or services. However, you can become a Primi affiliate and promote their affiliate membership. Remember, once you affiliate, you can invest into the company on a supposed promise of a guaranteed return. So how do you make money with Primi? Primi has a couple of methods on how you make money. First method is investing into their investment plans and start earning guaranteed results. Second method is recruiting people into the company. Those people in turn invest and you start earning commissions on their investment. Fantastic. So how would you like to learn how to earn $200 a day from home? Well, you can do so by looking at my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, or you can also go to the description field below and join my Facebook group where we talk about fun with finances. All you have to do is answer 4 simple questions and I'll let you into the group. We have fun with finances every week. I give about a 15-minute presentation on some financial topic in the Facebook group every week. So come to listen. On with Primi, investment plans. Plan number 1, investing from $1 to $10,000. You receive 10% hourly ROI forever. Second plan, investing from $1 to $10,000 again, and you receive 25% ROI for 10 hours. Third plan, investing from $10 to $10,000, receiving 1,100% after but 1 day. Fourth plan, investing from $30 to $10,000 and receiving 4,600% after 2 days. And of course, the fifth plan, investing from $50 to $100,000 and receiving 15,100% after 3 days. You can invest with a number of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, and Dogecoin. So referral commissions. Referral commissions inside of Primi.CC are paid in a straightforward one-tier unilevel compensation plan. Moreover, you can earn 6% commissions on your recruits' invested funds. Primi membership is without cost, or free if you like to say it that way. But if you want to participate in the investment opportunity, you must shell out anywhere between $1,000 and $10,000 USD in cryptocurrencies. What are other Primi reviewers saying? Well, currently all the Primi reviewers are done by affiliates, so they are 100% biased. By the way, I am not an affiliate and I will not be asking for your money. Truth be told, they only want to earn a commission on people who they bring in. Not much value in those reviews, really, because they are 100% biased. So what is my final verdict here? Well, here are the facts. First, we have no idea who runs or owns the company, and yet they want your hard-earned dough. Second, they claim trading capabilities, but I couldn't find any evidence anywhere. Surprise, surprise, we see new investments paying off existing members, and you know what that is, as the SEC calls it, a Ponzi scheme. Once recruitment slows to a trickle, they will pull the rug on their investors. They will exit scam, they will pull the plug, whatever you want to call it, where most of them, the investors that is, will be caught holding an empty bag with no shoulder to cry on. To actually learn a skill set that makes you passive income, look at my number 1 recommendation below. It's been in business for a few years now and teaches people the skills to make money online without a gimmick. In fact, I have even met the owner of the company. You can find his face all over the internet. Tired of scams? My number 1 recommendation. If you came to this blog, Primi.CC review, legit 10% daily ROI or big scam, you really want to know how to build a profitable business online, we are offering a business course that helps any business online, including network marketing. You will learn precisely how to drive your ideal customer to your landing page, net their emails, and practice conversion strategies to help them become buying customers without ever talking on the phone. So once you learn the skill set and the mindset, there are a few limits when it comes to building your online business. Plus, every single person gets an over-the-shoulders advisor to make sure everything is being done the right way. Other places you can find Scott Rulon, you can find him on Gab. You can find him on Facebook. Remember, join my Facebook group. Answer those 4 simple questions. I'll let you in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. And today you can even follow me on TikTok, although I don't sing and dance. So thank you so much for coming to my review. So if you're tired of failing in business, then click here and check this out to take your game to the next level. You can find this link on my financial blog, myfinancialfair.com. Thanks so much for coming to see me today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.